Everything is fine. All are good, guys. All good.
Yes, Ravi, carry on.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
So what? First, what we will check it now? Status code, guys. Okay, status code. Fine now. Okay, come in the application. Come inside the application. For that purpose, we want what is that 200, right? 200. Now, actual value we will get from the here itself only, right? From the HTTP response object. So, what is that response? Actual value we will get here. Dot. What is that content? Get content. Get content, right? Get content status, right? Request dot what? Request dot what? Get content. Get content type, right? Get content type. Okay, fine now, guys. So okay, sorry, this one now. Get content type status, right? We want to check first status, right? Get content type status. Any
No,
Not there.
content type is
Not there.
JSON or XML, no,
sorry,
Ravi?
yes, yes,
JSON.
status, right? Status. Get status, right? Get status. Get it status. This status will come from what? Our controller. Come on, 200. If our API
Response
is,
object.
yeah, response object, and this one, our expectation is what? 200 itself only. Come on, give
Yes,
the
Ravi.
Yes,
okay.
yes. Okay.
Okay, so means similar way, if nothing will come, then we will get the null data, right? So let's perform one more assertion, right? Assert not equals, right? Not null, right? Not null, should not be null. So for that, response dot what? Response dot what? Get content as what? Content as what? String only, right? Because JSON data also will is be as what? String only, right? Now okay, so like this. Okay, so now let's test it. Okay, like this we are writing the test case using mock framework, right? Mock framework. So for that, which method, about which method we wrote for this, right? Getting all result, right? Come on, getting all result. For that purpose we wrote what is that? Test case using what? Mock framework. Using mock framework, guys. Okay, so now let's run that. Now run as what? JUnit. See, by automatically our Spring is ready, started our JUnit, right? What our mock framework is starting the what? Container or not, guys? See this, we stopped that our application.
Yes, Ravi.
We stopped that, but what is that? Mock framework is starting now and it's checking now. See this, our API is successfully, means what? One, we wrote one test get all, and that is the successful. See this, that is the successful or not? Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay,
So
so
here for
yes,
test methods, we use that request and response.
yes, we use the request and the response itself only. And what is that? Our what? Mock framework only is taking care. Our mock framework is framework only starting the container and what? Activating all dependent layered application, database connection, all those things is taking care. We don't have need to start also, right? We don't have need to start our application. And after testing our API, then what? By default our what? Mock is stopping the like what? Stopping the container also, and what? It's giving that success message, right? Okay, just think about that here. What? Okay means what? 200, we know that, right? And here status also coming what? Status also coming 200. We checked that, right? No, let's change it. Okay,
Yeah, this value and the
yeah,
second one is coming from the response.
let's see the failure scenario, right? Here status code I'm sending here what? Status code I'm sending what? Create. Let's I'm changing this one. I create means what? Create means what? See this, create means what, guys?
201.
201 na? 201, come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, 201 na? Now let's run our test case now. Let's run our test case. Now
So
in
Ravi,
this,
this response is coming from the original service only, right?
Yeah, this
Yes.
response is coming from the original service only. But what see, this mock framework is creating that request and response. We are not creating itself by self only, ourself only that object. Who is the creating? Our Mockito framework only creating, right?
Okay. Request, only request we are creating.
Yes, only request we are creating.
Dummy
And
request.
yes, that is the dummy
Huh.
request. Okay.
Here
Yes.
we create the dummy objects, request
Yes.
object, response object we are creating and using that logic.
Yeah. Now right click again, right click. In this time, what our mock framework will fail. Why? Because see, this by default container is starting now. Our what mock framework is starting this container. We are not starting explicitly. See this, the magic of what? Magic of what? Mock framework.
Mock framework.
Now good. So null, we are getting the error message
Here,
now.
first one, Ravi, here first in the set equals, first argument, second arguments are not matching.
Yeah, see this first argument and see what is the failure error expected. Expected is what? 200, but what we are getting 200, 201 na?
201.
Means what? Our test case is failed or not, guys?
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi, failed.
Okay, fine.
Here,
So
if you put the HTTP status dot created dot value, then again it
yes, here see this last
we
time
get
you
the success rate.
here see this, here unit testing to testing code is there, here unit testing code is there. This code is what? Mock framework test code. Come on. But if if mock framework is not
Yes,
there,
Ravi.
if mock framework is not there, we can't you can think about that, you can write like this logic or and you can test our controller. No, there is no possibility to test our REST controller.
No, Ravi.
Without mock framework you can't test your REST controller, right? Web application. Simple unit testing you can't complete.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, so now one thing is completed, guys. Okay, one thing is completed now. So okay, so let's now what I'm doing now, just here REST controller, let's change it, right? Let's change it. Okay, make this one as okay. Okay, so next one is what? Let's select one record, right? One record. For that one method we wrote, right? One method we already wrote, right? This is the method, right? To selecting
Get
one
one
record.
record.
Need one record, right? So we want to test it. This API is working perfectly or not. So for that purpose, we have need to write what? Unit test code. Unit test code using what? Mock framework. So how we will write it? Everything is similar, guys. Okay, if only one time if you guys are practicing, right? Whenever you will get what? To test our API using what? Mock framework. That is the easy, but only one. See how I explained, guys. Even all objects whatever object usage objects is there, everything I given the diagrammatically also. And what is the dependent class?
Without mock also.
Yes, Ravi.
Sorry.
No, without mock also we can test that service through Postman, no?
Explicitly, so just we can only one, right? Without dependent class only we can test it. Like what? Only one API is there, right? Service class API you can test it, right? But it's related to what? Repository. Then you will become what? Failure. Then you have to take the help of what? Then you have to take help of what? Mock. If only one API is there without dependent any class, if only one API is there without dependent any class, then you can test it using what? JUnit. But if multiple dependent classes are there using what? One API, then you will become fail to test using what? JUnit test. Using you can't able to perform the operation using only JUnit, simple JUnit.
Okay.
Yeah, so simple only. If you are testing the web application, you must good in mock framework, right?
Okay.
Okay, good. So now, okay, let's perform what one operation. I need to select what one record, right? Sorry, I need to
Record.
test one record method,
Get
right?
one.
I need to test what this method. This method is whatever we develop this, whatever coding we done in this method. This method is what based on our expectation. This method is working perfect or not. So for that, let's write the test method right now. Good. So this is the test class now. This is the test class. So for that, let's write one more method here itself only, right? So what is that? Public void. So what is the method name? What is the method name now?
Test get one record.
Get one record, right? Copy this one and come here. Now test
One product. Get one product.
get one product. Get one product. Now fine. Okay, if you want to make this method as what test make case method, then what annotation you will apply on the top of this method now?
Test.
Test. Fine.
Test.
Yeah, test now, guys. Okay, so we need what? One object, right? We have need to test what? One product method, right? So for that, okay, so same things, guys. Okay, same things. What operation? First one is what operation we completed in last method. First operation is what? Creating
Request.
Now how we are creating the request now, guys? Tell me, you guys only tell.
Mock MVC request builder.
Yes, mock.
HTTP servlet.
Using mock MVC request builder.
Yes,
HTTP.
mock MVC request builder, right? Dot, what is the methodology? What is the methodology now? Get, right? What is the get methodology, right?
Get.
So for that, what method we will take it now? What method we will take here? Get, right?
Get one.
Yeah.
Get method.
Okay,
Yes, get
so
method.
fine now, fine. So inside this one, right? Inside this one, what we will do it now? Inside this one, what we will do it now,
URL.
guys? So
product.
URL we will.
App product. Fine.
Yeah. So what is that? App product
App by product.
App
by
product.
slash, what is that? Another method
Find.
name is what? No, find, right?
Find.
This one. Yeah. Find
Yes,
and
sir.
ID, right? Find and ID. Now
Yes, sir. Find and ID.
find slash. So let's which one? Let's take first one only, right? ID number. Let's take first one. Okay,
First one.
because we have need to test our API only, right? So we have need to pass something here, na? So and what is the
Yes,
return
sir.
type of this method? This class this method is return type is what now, guys? Come on. Mock request builder.
Servlet request builder.
Yes, very good. Okay, so now our what? Our request object is ready now. Come on.
Yes, sir.
Next step, what we will do it now, guys? Execute request, right? So okay, fine. Now so same request also same, guys. Okay, so now let's copy the same things only here also. So okay, nothing changes is there, guys. Okay,
And get response also.
why this one is giving the error? 1 minute. Unhandle. Oh, yeah.
Exception. Ravi. Throws
Yes.
exception.
Yes.
Exception.
Fine. Okay, so after then what we will do it now, guys? This step also same only. Getting the result also, right? Getting the result also.
Yes.
Okay, fine now.
Yes, sir.
Getting the result also. After then what? So come here. Let's what is our expectation now? Come here in the API. What again? Okay, only we want, right? Okay itself only this one only we want, right? Come
Yes,
on.
sir.
Yes.
And should not be null.
Status okay.
Means whenever we will select should not be null data, right? Should not be null. Come on.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
That should
Okay.
not be null.
So okay. So similar, same way only, guys. Same way only. Let's copy the assert operation also the same only. Assert operation also the same only, right? Fine. Okay. So now only changes is what? Here itself. Only one only URI will change. Okay, our UI only will be changed. Okay, so now let's test it. Run as JUnit. Yeah, check the JUnit console now, guys. Two method is running, right? See, get test all product and get one product, and both are the success. Come on, both are the success itself only. Come on, guys.
Success.
Yes, Ravi.
Yeah, yes, Ravi.
Okay,
Both are success. Correct.
now if you want to give our own choice name, anyone remember that annotation?
To
No.
that
No
method.
issue, guys. No issue, guys. Okay, so this is the getting all product, right? So at the rate display annotation is seen that, right? Display
Display name. Yes.
display
Yes,
name, right? Inside that, what is that? Let's
Display
give
name.
what? Let's give what? Product all, right? Let's give product all, and let's give the here also. Let's change this one. Okay, let's change this one, the class level name also. So here, what is that? Product management. Let's give the product application, product app, and this one is what? This one is what? Test get one method, right? Test get one method. So let's give here also get
Just
one,
product one.
product one, right? Fine. Okay, guys. So now good. So here, what is that? But execution order, if we want to specify the execution order also. So for that, what annotation we learn now, guys? What annotation we learn now? Anyone remember it? At the rate test method order, right? And we seen that order by default is random. And what is that order? I'm taking what? Order order annotation, right? Order
Alphabetically.
dot class, right? Order dot class. And first, what is that? I want to check this one, right? So what is the order?
Order.
Order
Rate
one.
of order.
I'm giving first this one will. Okay. After then this one, right? After then this one. At the rate 2. At the rate 2. Fine. I hope I explained already, guys. Again, I don't have capacity to explain it, guys. Okay.
Yes, yes. Yeah.
Yeah, people are. I hope the people are remembering these two annotation.
Yes,
Why I?
this is Jay.
Yes, yeah. Remember.
Okay, fine,
Yes,
fine.
yes.
So good. So now fine now, guys. So next one is what? Next one is what? Let's now little bit. This one is lengthy now, guys. Okay. Next one is what? Lengthy now. Let's perform the save operation, right? Save operation. Let's check it.
Okay.
This one, right? Where the sorry. This is the controller. Now see this one. Okay, remove. We will see the later. Save. Let's test this method, right? Let's test this method. What is that? Save method. Come on.
Yes, same method post.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay.
method.
So now for the save also we seen that, right? See this where this one. Like we have need to construct, right? Like this we have need to construct. We learn already, right? Today in the today's session only, right? Come on. Post, right? Post content and content type. Because this content we have
Yes,
need to
Ravi.
specify as well as data also we have need to specify or not.
Yes,
Yes, Ravi. Content type and data.
We have need to specify both things now.
URI content type.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes. So now fine, let's work on this area also, right, guys? So still we have need to like let's see that. Okay, no issue. So for that, let's write the test method. So here already, right? Already product. Okay, so let's write one more method. What is that? Public public void test
Void
test.
test.
What is the method name? Get all product, right? Sorry, save na, save the product, right? Where that save product.
Yes,
Good,
sir.
good. Okay, so now fine now. So if you want to make this method as a what test method, what is the annotation now, guys?
At the rate of test.
Okay, now this one also
Test
both
cap.
now specify the order as well as name also. So for that product save, right? Product save and give this one as a 3. Fine. Okay, good. So now little bit here the thing is different, guys. Okay, here things is different. So but we will use the same object, but here we will use the post method, right? Post method. Now what is the, just tell me now, creating the object. First step is what?
Creating request.
Creating
Request body.
request, right? So for that purpose, what is that? Mock MVC request, mock MVC request builder dot what? Post, right? Come on.
Yes, Kavi.
Inside that, what we will give?
Yes, sir.
App slash product
path.
slash save, right? Come on, this is the URL na,
Yes.
URI. Come on.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, so after then what we have need to specify the header section. Header section, inside that header section,
Header
what is the things now, guys? Content type is there, right? Content type na, come on.
Yes, yes.
This content type we can specify two way, but what is the right way in the real time? How we are specifying later, last I will conclude that one, but focus on both. Right now here what? Dot what is that? Header section is there, right? Header section is there. Inside this one, what we will do it now? Content hyphen type, content hyphen type, and here value, what we will give the value now? Application
application
slash JSON, right?
Application
No,
underscore.
here no issue. Here we will give the, like this only, right? So like this we are
for
giving, right?
media type underscore.
Yeah, here like this we are giving, but the real time we are not using this one. In the real time we are not using this one. This one also will work. I'm commenting this one, right? What kind of things we are using in the real time? We are using this one, right? Dot what is that? Content type, right? Content type. If we are using what? Content type, directly we can give the media type. Now here just give what? Media type. This is the like we are writing in the real time, we are using this content type only, right? So media type dot what? Application.
Underscore JSON.
No, here this one will be like this. Application underscore
JSON. Application underscore JSON.
application underscore JSON, right?
JSON.
Like this we are specifying now, guys. Okay, so fine now, guys. This part we constructed now. This part we constructed, guys. Okay, this part we constructed. Now next one we have need to construct this one also, right?
Data also.
Yes.
Body.
So for that purpose, what is that? Dot content is there, right? Dot content one method is there, guys. Dot content. Okay, I'm removing this one, guys. Okay, where that one? Now Control Shift. Okay, content type, media type application underscore JSON. Fine. So here what is that? We have need to specify the content type. Dot what happened? Yeah, content type. Fine. inside this one we will give the JSON data, right? Dummy JSON data, guys. Okay, dummy JSON data for the testing purpose itself only. Why this one is not okay? No issue. Let's give this one here. Yeah, this one here like this. Okay, because if this one is there like this, then you guys will understand easily. So now, okay, so we have need to specify one dummy right JSON data, right? Based on that one we can test our API. So what is that? Just normally let's specify here we posted, right? Post operation, select the post, get post, right? This one, and see, this is the, let's send this one only, right? This is the data, right? So what I'm doing now, paste it here.
Yes.
Show good. Yeah, this is the data, right? This is the dummy data we are declaring inside this one. Okay, now paste it. Yeah, this is the JSON data, right? Based on this one only we will test our method. So fine now, guys. So here, good. Okay, so we created the request, guys. Okay, now we created the request. After then what we will do it now? Execute the request now. So how we will execute the request now, guys? Now execute the request. Last time, see, return, right? Same perform method we will call, and we will pass that request and it will return it
Return.
what. So now shall I copy this one? Case again, can I write it? Come on. Shall I copy again?
Copyright.
Just copy.
Okay.
No, you just copy that.
Yeah, so fine now, guys. Good. So here what we will do it now, we will again execute the request. Then what we will do it now, guys, here the what is the request? Okay, we not hold it, right? So this one will return what? This one will return what, guys? What? MVC HTTP, sorry, mock HTTP servlet request na?
Yes.
Yes, Ravi.
Request builder, right? Now request, correct?
Yes.
Now we are passing here itself.
Okay, Ravi.
Now this one is throwing what? Checked exception, right?
Exception. Yes, Ravi.
Okay, we added the exception also. Good, fine. Okay, good. So now our what? Our test case is ready now, guys. So we have need to perform the assert operation also, right?
Yes, Ravi.
Get the result, right?
Equals.
Now we have need to get the results. So same things we again call here also, right?
Yes, Ravi.
Okay.
Response and assert equals.
Yes. So after then here assert operation based on that API only we will write it. So now see this here, create is there, guys. See this in the last API, okay is there, but here what? Create is there. Means create means what? 2 not 1 na? Come on.
Yes, sir.
See this,
Yes,
guys. See this. What is that? 2 not 1 or not? Come on. 2 not 1 na?
Yes, Ravi.
Okay. So fine now, guys. So similar way, right? Similar way. Come here. Now what we will do it now, guys? What we will do it now? So again here we will write the assert. We need to check the assert expectation is what? HTTP status status dot what? Create, right?
Dot create.
Dot value, because we need what? 200, right?
201.
2 not 1, right? So because we need
Yes, sir.
value, not a status code. Means what? Create. Come on. And here what we will
Yes,
pass
sir.
it now? Here what we will pass it now? Response. Response dot what? Get status. Come on.
Get status.
get status.
Mm.
And what is
Yes,
that?
Yes, Ravi.
After then what? After it's returning is what? If everything is successful, then what message we are getting now, guys? What message is getting now? Where that method now? 1 minute. Product data save means what? Product data save, some string data we are getting,
Okay.
right? Some string data means what? It should not be null, means
Yes, Ravi.
so for that purpose, what what assert method is there now, guys?
Assert not null.
Assert
Assert not null.
not
asset not
null, right?
Not null.
Not null. Inside that, what we will do it now, guys? Response dot what? Get response, the get content as a string. Now fine.
Okay.
Now let's test it. Okay, let's test it. Now fine. JUnit test. Yeah. Now observe the how many methods are run now, guys? 3 methods now.
3 methods.
three
Yes.
methods.
And what is the status code? Success. Come on. And see this.
Success.
Yes.
What is that? Product all, product one, and product save. Come on.
Yes, sir, we got it.
Got it?
Yes, Ravi.
Everything is yes.
Got it.
Yes.
Okay, good, guys. So let's perform what is that one? Let's perform the testing about that what? Which method?
Delete. Delete.
Put. Let's perform put operation also there, right?
Okay.
Anywhere where we are
Okay.
using get, we see that
Edit.
how we can test it, right?
Update.
Update.
Yeah. Where the update method is there now, guys? Yeah, this one modified, right? Let's test this method. Let's test this method. Are you ready?
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, ready.
Okay, guys.
Yes,
So,
Ravi.
so here what we are doing now, here for the updating purpose, we need a what? ID also, na? Come on.
Yes, required ID through ID. only
Yes,
modify.
Ravi.
Through ID only we can update the data, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So for that purpose,
Yes,
we
Ravi.
need ID also. So what I'm doing now, guys, so already we completed one test method for the save operation, right? For the save operation, this one only I'm copying again, same, just modification here. I will increase one ID as well as what? I will take this one as a put. That's it.
Yes,
So
sir.
okay, because okay, now copy this one, paste it, right? So here what is that? Test save, right? Save, no,
Yes, update product.
update, right? Update, fine.
Yes,
Now
sir.
this one take as a what? Fourth, and what is that? Update project. Update this one, right? So here what is that? What we will do it now, guys? We will increase this one, R, come here. So let's put, right? Put this one, and here what? Modify select one is there, right? Already anywhere, any get post put, yeah, this one, right? Modify now the data, right? This is the data, come on. So now I'll take this data itself only, so just we will change that one only. So fine. Okay, so now do this. Record number 1, we are going to update it, right? Update it. For that purpose, we are going to write what? Test, unit test using Mockito framework. Okay, that's it. And here what we will take it now, guys, put method. Put method, that's it. And everything is the same only, guys. Okay, everything, because put method, no, not same, guys. Okay, not same. 1 minute. Let's see our controller. Modification purpose, after then what kind of status? Okay, right? Okay, it's returning. So here we will take here what? Okay.
URI also changing.
Yeah, and
product.
URL
same
also.
Okay, Ravi.
Sorry, for the put purpose we are modifying.
URL.
Yes,
Modify.
here we have need to take modify, and which one we want to test, right? Which one we want to test? First record, right? Based on that first ID only we will check it, our what API. So fine. Okay, now fine, right? Now everything is fine.
Ravi. Ravi.
Yes.
For modifying purpose, also we can call the same method.
Same method. Which one?
The
Same-
update is nothing
For
but the
modifying
same,
purpose,
right?
because it will update automatically.
No, I'm not.
With
Okay.
new data, the data will again save. If we are not making modifying method separately,
No, here
then we
take
can call same method with a new data.
save method.
No,
No, I'm not getting
in
your
the content, right? You are asking in the content.
He's asking
Yes,
in the
yes,
content,
I
right?
think we need to change
Content we
Some-
can change the one value, right?
some sign related change.
Yes, here content type we need to change it.
No, not the way.
No,
Content.
no.
What
Don't-
to change? Content.
Sorry, content we changed the data, right?
Content record to change.
Already we took, right? Product ID. See this?
Yeah.
We need to change the last time. If we want to save that, we don't need what? Product ID. Directly our what? Our content, sorry, our what entity class only generating the ID. But if you want to update, we need the ID also, right?
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, ID required for
ID required na. So but here the method content type be undefined
Yes.
for the type test product.
Ravi, do we need to put that to semicolon also?
Semicolon. This one, right?
No, Ravi.
Not
After
there, Ravi.
URL,
Line
we put the
84.
semicolon.
Huh?
Line
Line
number
84.
84. Line number 84.
After URL, remove that semicolon.
line number 84 semicolon is
Last,
not
go
required.
to last. Line number 84, go to last.
Oh, correct. Good observation. Because of that, here I'm getting what? Red symbol. That one only I'm.
Okay.
Yeah, fine, right? Now ask
Yeah,
the
okay.
now ask your doubt. What is your doubt now? Just here what? If we want to modify, means what? Put the data, right? Come on. As well as what?
Sir, please go to once database, sir.
Sorry.
Please go to once database, sir. Same Samsung is there, sir. First one
Samsung. Yes.
database.
Yeah, laptop is there as well as what? Samsung
Yeah,
The
private.
cost is in 11,000. We change it to 9,000.
Laptop is there, sir.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cost is different.
Let's dummy object. This one is dummy for the checking the API. Okay, no issue. Okay, Samsung is there now. Let's take what? Nokia. This one only you want, right?
Okay.
Yeah,
Ravi,
okay.
however,
They just want to change the
whatever
data.
whatever the value you here, it will not update. No, it is a dummy.
No, this is the
data.
dummy. This is for the checking the API only. It will not store in the database. It's creating the dummy. We are creating the dummy
Yes, that
object.
is what I'm saying.
Without dummy object,
you can
without object, how we can
Give any value here.
Yes, here you can give the like what? Just I'm giving the my name only, right? Ravi only. That one also will take. Okay.
Yes,
Just
okay.
to check
Because
the method
for
working
that,
properly.
because here if See, boss, if the method need argument, if we are not passing the argument, that method will accept our what calling.
No, it will not work.
So because of that, because
will
of
not-
No,
that,
it will not accept.
based on that argument, right? Based on that argument, just we are constructing what JSON data. Don't think about that. This data will store in the database. No.